So today po is I'm going to show you po my kitchen essentials. So first po is yung ice cream maker. So ito po yung setting niya, ito po yung play, and ito po yung timer. Yan, ito po yung parang spatula. And I always use this to make mango ice cream. And of course, I'd like to promote mango because my father has a mango farm in the Philippines. Yan. Ito po yung important because you have to put this in the fridge overnight para magawa po yung ice cream natin. You can make any kind of ice cream, any flavor. One po is I'm always use this for juicer, for example, like vegetable juice and apple juice, and of course mango. Medyo mahal kasi yung mango dito sa US. So ito po, yan. And dito po siya linalagay yung mga sangkap ba yun? Yung mga ingredients na i-juice mo. And of course po is nandito rin po siya. And may kasama din po siyang cleaner, yung brush. Yan po. It's very convenient. It's very healthy. It's very healthy to make your own juice. Yung next po natin is yung crockpot. This one is very easy to use and very convenient, especially if you are so busy. So ito po yung lid niya. It is clear. And ito po yung ceramic stone. Ito po, it's also dishwasher safe. Yan. And ito po yung off, low, high, and warm. Yan po. So you can cook whatever you want here. You can just throw everything overnight. And yung low niya is you can cook it for 8 hours, and of course yung high is 4 hours. One natin is yung popcorn maker, and may kasama din po niyang ang cute po, this one. Parang dito po yung scoop mo yung kernel ng popcorn and ilalagay po sa loob. And this one is very also healthy because hindi mo na po kailangan gumamit ng oil. Yan po, yan. And next po is yung waffle maker po natin. So I use this sometimes in the morning if gusto ko kumain ng waffle. And of course, hindi ko din po siya nagamit for waffle na yung recipe niya. I use it yung parang pancake, yung mixture ng pancake because that time wala akong yung waffle na mixture. Yan po, yan, igaganyan lang. Tapos pataas. Tapos yan. I love it. And next po naman po is very useful din po if you wanna marinate something like meat or chicken. Yan, ilalagay nyo lang po sa loob yung imamarinate nyo po. And you can seal it po. Ito po yung setting niya. Ito po yung seal and vacuum seal, dry or moist. And yung normal niya. Yan po. It's very useful din. And this one naman po is yung processor natin. You can use this for meat. Whatever you want to process, you can use this one. And yung setting niya is low, high, and normal. And of course, yung off. Yan. Ganito po siya. Pre-press dito. Dito mo po siya ilalagay yung mga konti. Diyan. And pag marami naman po dito. Yan. And ouch! And ito po is ito po yung blade niya. Yan po. And may another blade din po sa loob. Yan. Nagmamadali ako magsalita ngayon because malulubat na yung camera ko and yung mic is wala din. And yung last po is yung meat grinder, whatever you want to call it. So this one po, I never use this because every time na bumibili ako ng meat is yung ready na siya. So I think this one you can use it with if you wanna cook like, no, if you wanna make mashed potato. Yan. Ilagay mo lang siya dyan. Then ikagan. So ito lang po yung meron ako. And wala po akong blender. Probably yun po yung next na bibilhin natin. So that's it po. Thank you for watching.